Abalungi kyembasabako kimu tukolere wamu tufasike katimani tukolere wamu. So lwakiyinza okwongera namu poliisi tetusobola okubeera bamalayika netumanya ekyabatewa mwe
As leaders, we made a resolution that we should not have discos, especially in open places. The reason was when discos are played in open places, even though we have security, but no one will be able to check those who are coming.
Emyaka 14 tusonyiwemuko twetaaga eggwanga ekulaakulanye kufuna luuto tuba twakisibidde mu ngalo twetaaga muveeyo mu bulambulukufu muwe abapoliisi information gye beetaaga ku simu. Tetugenda kutuula butuuzi, mwe mumanyi abantu abakikoze mubamanyi bulungi. Mubanga mubamanyi bulungi emyaka ate asoma tugamba 21 kitegeeza ki nti asomye nasale 3 7 ezo 10 ennya 14 ne
the function I had ended at around 5 when it was still early. But unfortunately, I'm told the organizers of the function made another arrangement that those who have business around collected some money and agreed that they go on as they were selling their small items. Currently, we have our young people who are always involved in drugs that disorganize their brains. That's one of the things I feel could have forced this thing to happen. I've realized several times that when these functions are held, and especially when the youth get to know that the functions will be there, they move with knives. So to me, I feel really it is because of the drugs they use that could have caused this.
Early in the morning, I received a call from my neighbor called Mama Rolin. She told me that, Mohindo, where are you? I told him I'm at home. Please, your boy is already here dead. They have killed him through the knife. Then after that, I told the neighbor that all people who were around, we reached in the playground. After reaching there, the boy, we find him dead already.
We received a report that unidentified thugs killed Mohindo Frederick. He's 20 years old. The deceased has been staying with the stepfather, identified as Frogesio Mumbaye. And he was in the company of Ngovi Royce, and 20 years old, senior 4 liver. We received a report that unidentified thugs killed Mohindo Frederick. He's 20 years old, boy and a resident of Katiri village in Balumbye village. The deceased has been staying with the stepfather, identified as Fulgencio Mumbaye. He was in the company. He was in the company of Ngovi Royce, and 20 years old, senior 4 liver, survived with the injuries.